Vlogmas Day 1. We are with my sister Natalie.
I'm dressed a little crazy today, but
Yeah, so it's Vlogmas
nice
Day
out.
1, December 1st. We have drama with his fur coat, and we got my grandma.
Hi.
Hi YouTube. And yeah, so we're kind of being crazy right now, but it's whatever. It's snowy outside and it's slippery.
I feel like cutting this video, like, you know what?
Yeah. So Vlogmas Day 1, guys, I will be doing this. And she will also be doing it, so I'm going to put her description in the link below. And yeah, we'll be doing it together. Like always. So this is my first year of Vlogmas. Have you ever done Vlogmas last year?
No, I barely got this channel this year. So, yeah.
Yeah, I got my channel this year too.
No, I'm showing them the...
They have the birds. Those are the people who have the birds. Come look at those are the people who have the birds.
You know, I'm showing them the chimney.
Those people over there have birds.
Who has birds?
The ones over there.
But
anyways.
Izzy's always
Oh,
on that
yeah,
I heard
stop.
bird.
My next door neighbors, yeah, they have birds.
So yeah, we are just walking. Let's go on the train. I mean, not the train, the bus. And yeah. So this is my first year doing Vlogmas. Each video, guys, will be 10 minutes long. Hopefully 10 minutes off, if anything, 11 minutes. And yeah. So yeah, guys. Each video will be 10 minutes to 11 minutes long. I'm not going to be doing hour-long videos, 24-hour-long videos, because that is a long time to upload. But yeah, every video will be uploaded. And if it's not uploaded, guys, then I will definitely have to do a remake of that. Please.
That was my face.
So guys, I'm zippering all the way up. It's cold. It's like 39 degrees outside, or 30.
It's not that cold out there, Mama. You can take that out.
So yeah, we're kind of on a hunt to go to my house. I'm wearing my hat. I'll do outfit of the day again when I get to my house, probably. But yeah, 10 minutes long each video.
And your
Drama. We have my backpack.
No,
We had a day sleepover, so yeah, I'll be uploading this video later on. I think each video will probably be uploaded at like each video will be uploaded at 6 o'clock, probably. Hopefully 6 o'clock.
I'm back to normal.
Back to normal, guys. She's not her little hat anymore. So yeah. So yeah, guys, it's really cold. It's like 79 degrees outside. No, 39 degrees outside. Even Drama's cold.
Isabel, so when you do your Christmas opinion, you have the theme of Belle, right?
Yep. Guys, it's so cold outside. My lips are so chapped.
Okay, let's not forget my sister. She's savage.
So tomorrow, guys, will be a new video probably at 6 o'clock.
Clothes versus heat.
She's doing on her channel. Please check her out. Go subscribe to her. Subscribe, guys.
I mean,
See? I told you that.
So
When Belle said
yeah.
super, I thought laughing.
So yeah.
you know what? The wind doesn't bother me anyway.
Oh, it's so cold. Guys, we'll meet you guys in the train.
Where's peanut butter?
Guys, we are not on the train yet, or bus, or whatever. So yeah, guys, we'll meet you guys back there. Guys, we're running onto this bus right now, guys. Bye. We're the only ones. No, Grandma's gonna yell at us. Alright, guys, we're gonna show you guys the back seat. Oh my God, I haven't seen the back of the bus. Hold up, guys. Look at the back. Alright, fine. Guys, we're holding on right now. Oh my God. Come on, see. Okay, guys, so we had to move, but yeah, it's cold. We're back in the bus. Better lighting.
Did you have to work?
Drama.
Oh
Nope.
my God, so what time?
Bleeding.
Oh, so you went home for dinner? Oh, okay.
Key.
I didn't have to work. We were gonna work, but we decided at the last
So yeah,
minute.
guys.
We had
It's a video 10 minutes long. We're currently at 5 minutes in. And we'll see you guys while we're going to my house.
And then they said, well, maybe Friday. I hope it don't snow because I didn't bring my boots.
They said we were, but it was supposed to be clear today, but it was raining earlier, so I don't know.
There's no one else on the bus but us,
You
guys.
look so normal and I just look so crazy.
No one else on the bus but us. We're
Well,
here
you know what?
first.
Most of the snow melted already.
Oh, we're about to pass by that whole
You know, I work in
Taco Bell.
Brook. And,
Guys, Taco Bell is the
Oh
best.
my God, to get on the
We're about to
bus,
pass by Taco Bell.
the curb, you can't even
The best
get on
thing
the
is when
bus.
they put
Last
extra
time this lady fell.
Delicious. I love the juiciness. That's making me hungry.
And this lady's working, and every time I come out,
Delicious.
the bus is right there. So I guess she was trying to hurry up and get to the bus stop, so she wouldn't miss her bus. And I told my
That's
friend,
delicious, guys.
I can seriously eat Taco Bell all day.
Tell me in the comments below, guys, if you guys like Taco Bell.
Some people say it makes your belly hurt.
and then we saw
Honestly,
the old
I'm
lady.
fine.
I'm fine. Like,
She said the next day she
Bless
would go to
you.
work and she was hurt.
but yeah,
Her arm
so
hurted her.
long day today.
But right
and,
there is all chunks of snow ice. You cannot walk
and
in.
yeah, it's
The only
cold
way you
outside,
can
guys.
walk
I
is to the
understand.
edge of the curb where the buses and
Right
the
now, when I
cars
get home,
are
guys,
coming.
I'll show you guys kind of what's going on, and
No,
I'll
you
keep
think
you guys
know,
updated.
It's open. Oh my God, this is full. Not that many people. We're doing them.
Guys, there's more people coming. Guys, there's new people on the bus. We're not the only ones. There's people behind us. It smells like chicken.
In the bathroom.
So yeah, guys, 7 minutes in. Update you guys later.
Do you really want to make a video that short?
Yeah. 10 minutes long, guys. VLOGMAS day 1.
Like, last night we looked all like ghetto.
Now we look.
21st Street.
How?
Yeah. Someone's just talking about us because these two boys, they're like, I want to see it. I want to see it. And they were like, you see those two girls over there? They were pointing at us.
19th
You see those two girls over there? They're sitting there on seats. We just found out why it smells like chicken. There's Popeyes on the bus. And the little boys keep on looking at us. They're like,
I don't know. They're like so young. How do they even know us?
yeah, well, we're almost at our stop, so yeah. 8 minutes, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Happy Christmas, day 1.